I'm thankful for my family, my teachers, and my friends for being supportive through virtual learning. I'm also thankful for my opportunities, such as going on walks or bike rides.
This year I am thankful to have Thanksgiving with my family because we usually get to have Thanksgiving with my grandma and grandpa and all my other cousins and all their family. But since the COVID, we can't this year. So I'm thankful to have food on the table this year and to just have a good time with my family.
Hi, my name is Avery Blumenstein, and I'm really grateful for my pets, my friends, and my family. My friends, because even though we don't really get to see each other, we still get to talk on Zoom and those things. And I'm grateful for school because even though we're not actually in class, we're still being able to learn, and I don't really know what I would do during the day if we didn't have school.
Something that I am grateful for is waking up every morning and just doing school and dance and eating and drinking and showering and changing clothes.
I am thankful for my mom, my dad, basically all my family. And I'm also thankful for my teacher and my classmates.
Hi, I am thankful for a lot of things, but mostly my friends. They make me laugh in serious situations, and when I'm sad, they make me feel good. When I want someone to talk to, they are always there for me. Thank you.
Hello, I am very thankful for my friends and family to be able to talk to them during COVID and being able to walk around outside and play outside with keeping social distancing.
Since this year has been a tough one thing that I am thankful for is technology, because without technology I wouldn't be able to see my classmates or my teachers, and I wouldn't be able to have Zoom calls with my family or talk to my friends. So I'm thankful for